Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ratthew from Animal Hospital. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the eyes. Let's start with 2 curves up, leaving a gap in the center. And then another curve underneath each one. Now inside each eye, let's draw 2 curves down. And color both of the pupils in black. Now under the eyes, we're going to draw the snout. Let's start with a curve up in the center. Then at the bottom, let's curve it up and in on each side. And then inside, let's add a sideways oval for the nose. And color this in black. Now underneath, we're going to draw the teeth, starting with 2 lines down and a line across the bottom. And then 1 more line down in the center. Now we're going to hop back up next to the nose and let's draw 2 angles out on each side for the whiskers. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start next to the left eye and let's draw a curve up and back down on top. Then on each side, let's curve it out and in for the cheeks. Now lastly for the head, let's hop on top and let's draw the ears. Let's draw 2 large curves up and back down. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and add the body. Let's leave a gap and let's draw 2 curves down for the sides of the body. And then a curve across. Now on each side, we're going to draw the arms with 2 curves down and out. Then at the ends, let's draw a circular curve around for the hands. Now we're going to hop back in, and inside the body on the top right, let's draw a rectangle for the name tag. And then let's add a line across inside. And 1 more line underneath in the bottom section. Now that we're done the upper body, let's hop down and add the legs. Let's start with 2 lines down on the left and the right. And then let's add a curve around for the feet. And that's it for Ratthew. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!